Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. I've got this camera here that I just received. It's a Gosira, and let's get right into this. Sweet little camera here. It says it's 16 megapixel. It's waterproof. A 2.4 LCD screen it has. Trigger speed of 0.35 seconds, and it's got 120 total per angle of detection. Full HD video function it's got. So let's open it up, see the rest of the camera here. So it's got an instruction manual. It's got a sample instructions manual, small one. Take with you on the field. This is the camera. Let's open her up and look at it. Set that aside. See what else we got here. We've got a mounting plate. Some screws, hardware with that. And then this here goes onto the camera and the plate. Whoops. Camera strap, and it looks like a USB cable with that. Goes to the camera, to the computer, and that's it. Looks like a sweet little camera. I noticed the setup for protection. It's got some little things over the screen here that protects the camera from transport or mailing, I should say. Pull all these off. I got some Energizer lithium batteries, which I put in all my cameras. It lasts a lot longer in the field. Your better quality for your pictures, and better quality for your videos, especially because every time the camera comes on, it takes a lot of energy for this to work. So sweet little camera here. Putting all the batteries in. It takes, like I said, 8 batteries. There. Put that back in. And let's turn her on to set up. And she said she came on, no card, and I always have a little card case with me when I bring out in the field when I go check my cameras. This particular one holds 8 cards. And I do use the best SD card that you can buy, and those are a scan disc. And the port for underneath is right at the bottom for these particular cameras. see it's on. You can see the little screen. I can see my daughter recording. So alright, so I got it on setup, and the first thing we want to do is we want to go right into menu. So we go into menu, whoop, I just took a picture. We want to go into menu. Here we are. I don't know if you can see that, but here in menu, what we want to do is want to go to the modes. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up this beforehand. I put it in the field. So what I want to do is I want to go down to, I like taking videos. So I'm going to go to video size, and I'm going to push OK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 19 by 20 by 1080, 30 feet per second, and I'm going to push OK. So I'm going to scroll down to video length. I'm going to push OK. What I want here, this is a 10-second, 15-second, 180-second, 175. So it looks like I'm going to be leaving the camera at 10-second intervals to take video. And I'm going to push OK. So I'm going to go down to intervals, shutter, time lapse, side per, and side sound, beep sound. I want to have off because I don't want anything going off when I'm in the field. I like everything to be quiet, and especially when the camera is going off. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. I'm going to take a look at what else we have here. Volume record. Yes, I'm leaving the volume record on for the simple reason that I want to hear what's going on. Power on and off. Backlight to 1 minute. Flashlight. It's got a flashlight setting, so if you're setting this up in the dark, you can see. Timer is off. Date and time. I'm going to record this. I'm going to set this up a little bit later. Time format. Timestamp. Camera name. Password. It's got password protection so no one can get into it. Language, which is already set to English. Format, SD detection, reset to factory, system, and back to modes. So this is a sweet little camera which I will be setting up the rest of the way to put in the field. Like I said, I do use ScanDisk SD cards, the best cards you can use in these cameras. I never have any issues with them whatsoever. And I do mount this to the tree with the strap that comes with the cameras, and then I will use a Python lock which will go through this here and around the tree. And what I do is I put that around the camera here, around the tree, so not only is this secured to the tree with a lock so no one can take your SD card or steal the camera. It's all secured and left in the woods, and I leave them out there for a month, 2 months at a time. I do this for a reason that in the woods, the animals, they see your trail and everything going back into the camera. They get knowing you're there. I want to put this in the camera so not only nobody will see it, but also animals, they'll just get used to it being there. And right now I have snow on the ground here in Vermont, and when I do set this camera out, I don't want any attention brought to the camera of its location, even though I do have a long walk where I set them. Now this camera in particular has side detection here. So when something passes along the side of the camera, it comes on. It's also lit up. It lights up the side areas too. So I'll be doing another review of this camera and I'll be showing you what I get on it, and I'll be posting it right here, a link right at the top of the video. And please, down at the bottom, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. And I'll be showing you, like I said, the videos and pictures of what I take from this camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you again later. Goodbye. One more thing I do want to say to Gosira, I appreciate you sending me this camera so I can try this camera out in the field. And I do want to thank them for sending it to me. I think it's a sweet little camera, and I'm very anxious to set this out in the field. And like I said, when I do get this camera, I'll be doing a out in the field review of it too when I collect it. So thank you again, Gosira.